is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Chris Beast. I'll be doing air filter review and replacement on a Password JDM power chamber. I know you guys have been getting a lot of issues regarding finding the replacement air filter for it because Password JDM has gotten discontinued. So today I'm gonna be showing you what air filter you're gonna be needing, how to replace it. Is gonna be a pretty straightforward job, not even 30 minutes. And yeah guys, for all of you guys new out there, I'm new to YouTube, make sure you subscribe to my channel, you like this video, and I'll be continuing doing more videos of cars and surfing and skate. So stay tuned guys, I'm gonna be showing you right now. Alright guys, so here is the filter that we're going to be replacing. At the moment we're going to be replacing this one's really raw and old. As you can see, my hands are really dirty just by touching it. So we're going to be doing a replacement, how to change this one and put the new one in, and I'm going to be showing the car part number for KEN that fits perfectly on this one. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so first we're gonna continue. First step to take right here is going to be remove this clamp right here in order that we can replace a filter. Pretty simple, one screw only. There you go. Just slide it like so. And there you go. You have your filter out. Alright guys, so this is going to be the part number that you're going to be needing. Right here. It's Romeo Uniform 3480. RU 3480. That's going to be your replacement for the Password JDM air filter. Like I said guys, look at this. This is super dirty. You can see my hands. Just by touching it, you can get my hands dirty. So let's do an unboxing real quick of this KEN air filter. Oh, by the way, the specs right here, it's 4.5 in the diameter, just in case. Alright guys, so we're gonna do the unboxing right now. Let's see what brings inside of the KEN air filter. Alright, simple. The air filter itself. There you go. And it brings a super big clamp for it. Diameter that goes right here. You can see. And also a little KEN brochure of the company. There you go. And pretty much that's it. Simple. Alright guys, so let's give it a side-by-side comparison on the Password JDM filter and the KEN air filter. Alright. You can see pretty much the inlet diameter is the same, 4.5. like I said. The Password JDM, it's a little bit more smaller, as you can see. Let me go back. As you can see, it's a little bit more smaller. This one used to be red and now it's black due to the use, and this one is red, you can see right there. KEN Password JDM. The only difference is the KEN, it's a little bit more higher, but it'll fit correctly on your Password JDM. Alright guys, so now we're gonna be installing the K&N filter. I'm gonna take 2 pictures of the before and after so you can see a little bit of the length right here. So let's just install it pretty quick. Alright, there it is. Pretty simple. There you go. You guys can see it. Oops, sorry about that. For yourself, and that's how it'll fit. Alright guys, so this is the final result. As you can see, it is installed. I'm going to be taking a couple of pictures and showing you how it sounds. And yeah, so you can see how it looks. Alright guys, so this is gonna be a quick start review real quick so you can hear how it sounds, alright? Thanks for watching, guys.